In this video, you will write and run your first Python program. First, open your Python code folder in Visual Studio Code. Create a folder named Python Beginner Course. Choose a new file and name it helloworld.py. The Python extension identifies it as a Python file. Type exactly print hello world. The print function displays information in the terminal. Save the file, open the integrated terminal. On Mac OS, run Python 3 helloworld.py. Press enter. The terminal print hello world. Great, your first Python program worked. Python string may use double quotes or single quotes. Here, the line is open with a double quote but closed with a single quote. The quotation marks do not match, so the syntax is invalid. Run the file to see what Python reports. Syntax error, unterminated string literal. Python cannot find the matching quote. Fix the line by using matching single quotation mark. Run it again. Both lines now work. Hello world, hello Pythons. Next, change lowercase print to uppercase print. Python is case sensitive. Print and print are different names. Run the file. Python reads a name error because print is not defined. The error even suggests the correct name lowercase print. Change the uppercase P to lowercase, then run the file again. The correct program worked. Now add is true above the print statement. Indent print with 4 spaces, so it belongs to the if block. With correct indentation, the program runs and prints hello world. Now remove the indentation to see a common Python error. Code inside an if block must be indented. Run the file. Python raises an indentation error. The message says it expected an indented block after if. Restore the 4 space and runs again. The program works correctly. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more Python tutorials.